Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. The title of this video is I wish you all could hear what we've achieved here. I struggle all the time with trying to get that out to people. How could I communicate what we've done here in our facilities and the technology and everything? And I for 17, 18 years now, I haven't come up with an answer. The only way to really experience this technology is to come and hear it at the studio. So I really wish you could hear what we hear here with 2-channel and multiple channel, because it's quite amazing. We've pushed the absorption technology window really far with our carbon technology, and our foam technology can't be beat for linearity. With a combination of the two, and now with perforated absorbers and our understanding of diffusion, we really have a resolution that's never ever been heard before. There's no way, because I've tested all that other stuff and used all that other stuff, and it's just a circular bag of nonsense, most of it. So I guarantee you the resolution in our rooms is the highest that anywhere ever produced with any kind of technology. So it's even better than a live performance. I've been going to live performances, and the acoustics of the room are horrible. The sound is terrible. The engineer has a horrible place to work, and people are crazy and dancing and drunk and all of this stuff. And I actually prefer being in my own facilities, my own studio, versus a live performance. The resolution is better, and I don't have some drunk spilling beer on me, when I'm trying to enjoy the music. Each octave band has the same resolution from 30 to 100, and that's a really big issue there to have. So, and then the 100 to 12,000 with our foam technology and perforated absorbers, our CPAs. We've got a nice cross-section of products that can fill in, any spot along the frequency range that you need to divide up and conquer. You can do it. Sound field's twice as big as the physical layout. Our sound field in our theater, it's 40 feet wide, feels like 80. It's huge, startling. People sit in the room, you get lost because it's only seats 2. So it's wonderful. Fundamentals and all harmonics. First 4, for sure, I hear all the time, constantly, and everything, even a poor recording. So you get good stuff going. It's a time capsule, music and feelings. I've been listening to music for 50 years. I know a lot of you out there have too, for long periods of time. Well, you can go into your room, press the play button, and everything else will wash away. This is going to be the last year, 2024, for the facility. I've decided I don't want to maintain it anymore. It's expensive, it's costly. Most of our research and development will be finished up in 2024, and that'll, conclude our product line. We'll just continue on with what we have at that point. So if you want to come hear this history-making resolution, and you're a music person, and you love acoustics and rooms, you got to come here. 2024 is going to be the last. Send us an email, info@acousticfields.com. R&D visit in the subject line. It's truly a life-changing experience. If you've really been involved in playback systems your whole life, and even producing music and stuff like that, you really owe it to yourself to hear this. 2024, last year for it. So keep that in mind as we move into next year. It's 2024 already. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.